All right, special thanks to this company who are nice enough to send me a set of their cabinet locks with keypad. This is a 2-pack of cabinet locks, good for indoors, outdoors. Let me show you. Nothing at all around the box. We'll just cut the tape here and show you what we're working with. 1, 2, that's it for the box. So, as you can see, comes with your screws, which you can use these or longer screws. And then it comes with keys. You can see you'd use 4 screws to mount this to the door, for instance. And then you would use 4 screws this way to mount this to the wall. And then basically you'd be able to close this like so, and then turn your lock, take your keys. Now it's locked. So 2 screws here, 4 screws there, very, very simple. They do give you 2 of them, so if you have 2 doors you need to do this on, it's perfect. You can do one now, one later, but that will really do it for this unboxing. Again, special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send these to me to unbox and show you exactly what you get here. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.